Welcome back, YouTubers. What we have in this Linux Mint. Let's dive in and see what applications came in. So I'm looking at this and it looks like we have some applications. So this is Linux Mint 8.2. I know they up to 20.3. Not up to date yet, everything that I have here. But whatever I have, it's working for now. So Linux Mint comes with accessories. So this is for application software manager. If you want to install software, you go here. Right now, I'm doing a remote connection through offline router. So I don't have internet, so I'm not going to do any internet stuff. So I got graphics here. So to install software, you go here, software manager. You got your graphics. You can install other programs. It comes with Firefox, Office Libre. You can do regular, typing there. So it's a good program. LibreOffice. You can do document. It's pretty good. I use it to write time codes for the YouTube videos. So I save it as this. Save as uh, so you start with 0.00. So that will detect as time codes intro and 0 50 or something. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so save it. Let's save that. So we'll give you the extension. Let's start on the documents. On title, I want title. Linux Mint 20.2. Maybe it doesn't take the dot. Let's save that. So what else do we have here? We have, so that's minimize. So then you have a calculator. You have your calculator here. The basic mode, advanced mode. You got your sine, cosines, degrees. So you got a pretty decent calculator. It's okay. But there's more programs that you can download from here. I like the Tux Paint and Tux typing. Especially this system is more for my daughter than for me, but because I want her to stay away from is the cheaper option they have right now. So, but I use Arduino. Actually, I use a Raspberry Pi with Kano operating system. I use that one. So this is like a backup kind of thing, just in case. And I wanted to try it out, this Linux Mint too. And so far I see Libre's math. I guess you can do formulas here. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Binary operators set. Let's see some samples here. Okay, so I guess you can enter equations. Look, like integrals. You got integrals here. You got. I guess you can write equations. You see their square root, f of x. You got a function. You got a sum. Look at that. It's pretty cool here. This stuff. Okay, what else do you have? Attributes, functions. So arccosine, arcotangent, arctangent. So you can write pretty good, if you need to write a formula or something, you got this program here. What else do you have here? Accessories. See, calculator, document viewer, you got your PDF viewer. But there's more than that. You can install. That's under Office. Let's see. This is like Excel, LibreOffice Calc. So that's like Excel. So you can put. Let's put a number here. Let's put like 1 and 2, and then say this one equals A plus B. Enter. Why does that work? No. To be on the parentheses? No. Okay, let's try like that. Equals this one. A1. Oh, A1. I put A. Plus B1. Enter. Okay, so yeah, I did it wrong. It's A1, column 1, so row 1, column A, row 1, column B1. So A1, B1 is equal to this. So if I change here the number, it should change automatically. So if I put 5 here, 7, put 6 here, yeah, so that works. So this is like more like Excel kind of thing here, okay? So we got that. That's for Office. Then you got here, I believe this one is more like for presentation. LibreDraw. Let's see this one, LibreDraw. Okay, let's see what. Oh, this is for drawing. It looks like more for drawing. Like if you want to do like the other day I was using one of these programs from Office Libre. You can do actually a network diagram, and I believe I don't think it's this one. I think it's the presentation. Office Impress, I think it is. Let's see that one. Yeah, this is the one. So I did something like that. So this was pretty good. I mean, for an open source program, let's do open. And I was able to do, I forgot how I did that. Let's see. There's a section here for importing. Let's see. That's right on here. Import image. I think it was under this. No, maybe not. Um, I gotta figure out where that is, but I was able to write a network diagram using this Office Libre. So that's that. I'm gonna save it. So you got plenty. I mean, for to do something, uh, you can save as, and you can save as an Excel. I think it gives you the option here to save as a Excel sheet. See, Excel 2007, so you can save it as Excel. And you're good, right? Same thing with the Word document. I think this one I'm not sure. I don't. But let's see what else we have here. So Office Libre, Sound. These I haven't used those yet. So you got your administration, software manager, driver manager, your preferences, your background color, account details, places and sound. So, and then you got your command prompt. I mean, it's pretty good for an open system. So right now it looks like that because I have actually I locked out I locked myself out of the account. I forgot the password and I couldn't remember. So I had to reinstall everything because it was impossible to get in. And so that's why it looks like that. So I'm gonna upgrade, and I couldn't do a remote session before, so now I'm able to do that. And so let me stop at this point, and we'll catch up next time. And I'll upgrade this system a little bit more, and then I'll do a remote session again, and I'll show you what other applications I installed. And so I'll catch you next time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.